Hello everyone. In this Excel video lecture, we are going to see about the Home tab from the Excel and the font group, editing group. So the font group is available here. Editing is available here. So inside the font group we are going to see how to change the font name, font size, how to make it bold, italic, underline, filling a color or a background color, applying a background color, then font color, border, overwriting or editing cell, content. So there is one shortcut called as F2. So we will see about first of all regarding font group. So I am going to type here. If you want to type something in a cell, you need to double click. Then only the cursor appears here. Otherwise, you click a particular cell and then click on the formula bar. Then also you are able to write. So this is what we write the contents in a particular cell. So I am writing here. So you can see over here the sentence welcome to Excel online lecture series. As you can see over here, the text is spread over, it is occupied 4 columns. If I want to be the text to be into the particular one cell, so for that I need to right click. If we right click over there and select the format cell option, tab, and then click on the wrap text. Select this checkbox as a wrap text and click on OK. So all the sentence is in a now one cell. So if you want that long sentence to be in a particular cell, then you have to select a particular cell, right click over there, then format cells and select the wrap text option. This option is also available here, wrap text. Then after selecting this, I am going to change the font name. So various options. So I am selecting this option. Then you can able to select change the font size. It is available here. This option, besides this, we have increased font size and decreased font size. So either you can increase the font size by dragging down the particular arrow, or you can just click on this, the font size is being increased, and if you select this option, the font size is being decreased. Then if you want to make it bold, italic, underline. So bold, italic, underline, this looks like this. And then, so here for this text, there is no border applied. If you want to apply a border, select the cell and then click this arrow. So you can see over here, various borders are available. So bottom border, if I select this, the border will be applied to the bottom only. Again select it, top border, the border will be applied to the top. So sometimes we need to display only the bottom and top border. So at that time we can use it. Then left border and then right border we can use it. Otherwise you can select all borders. So my cursor was here, so it is the border is being highlighted for that particular cell, selected cell. So I am selecting this cell and going to click on the all borders. So all borders are being highlighted. Suppose this is our table and I want to apply the border. So click on this all borders. So the borders are being applied over here. And there are various options. We can also use the outside border. So the inside borders are not being displayed to you. So I am selecting this and it is working. Select and then outside border. I don't. So thick border, you can also apply the thick border. The thickness of the border is being, look at this. Only the outside border, that is thick border is applied to the outside. So as you can see this option over here. Bottom double border. Also draw a border of your own. Draw border option is also available there. Draw border grid is also available. Erase the border. Wherever you are clicking on this particular eraser, only that border is being erased. Line color. So for border also we can able to select a particular color. So I am selecting this. So the purple color is applied here and I have selected the pencil option, that is for drawing the border. So I am now deselecting this. Now our normal mouse pointer is there. I am selecting this cell and then we will apply some color. So line style. So for selection of color, this is applicable for the draw border box only. Then more borders. You need to select it first. More borders. Color. So look at this. The color is applied. Next we have fill color option. So again we need to select the cell and then fill color. The color is being filled. Background color is changed. Background color, if you want to apply background color to a particular cell to highlight something, you can change the background color. Look at this preview. So this is how we can apply the background color to a text. The next option is font color. The bucket symbol is that was fill color and this is font color. So with the help of bucket symbol, only the background color is being applied. With the help of font color, we are able to change the font color. If you click in the arrow, you can able to see the various colors. And if you select the more color option, you can create your own color. So out of the editing group, filling the series and all that we have done in the last lecture itself. So today we will see how to find and select and auto sum. Regarding sort and filter, we will see in the next lecture. So let us see about the find and select. So if there is one shortcut for find, it's called as Control plus H. So Control plus H is a shortcut and the dialog box appears. Also it is available here, the find and select option. Then I am going to find here G and find all. So this is all the G is being found out, and I want to replace it by Y. So you can select this replace all, and you can see Excel has completed search and has made 10 replacements. So that is how the find and replace option works. So we have found out G and we have replaced the G with the Y. And what is the shortcut then? Control plus H to display the find box. Or else we can select this find replace. Find Y and click on the replace and then replace it by G. And click on replace all. Again, it was again changed. And if you don't want the G over here, you can do undo. So you can, this is what the undo, Control plus Z. So I'm clicking this option. Again, this is replaced by 1. So if you don't want the step to be performed, if you want to go back from your step, just click this undo symbol. So undo symbol is responsible for going back by one step. Similarly, here redo symbol is useful for going forward with the one step. So I have replaced this G by Y, and again I want G. So again I can able to click on this redo option, and you see here the one step ahead, and with the help of redo we are able to perform one step ahead again, and with the help of undo one step back. So that is what the undo and redo work, and the shortcut for undo is Control plus Z. Control plus Z is the shortcut for undo, and Control plus Y is the shortcut for redo, and Control plus H is the shortcut for find. So I am doing formatting again on this particular text. So we have discussed about how to change the font name, font size, how to make the particular selected text as bold, italic, underline. Then we have seen fill color, that is the background color we have applied with the help of bucket symbol. We have changed the font color also. We have discussed about the border. Now overwriting or editing the cell content. That is of shortcut key is F2. If I am selecting F2 by selecting this text, first of all select the cell and then click on the F2 option. So that cursor is blinking over there. Now you can write. With the help of shortcut key F2, if you press the function key F2, the cursor is being displayed over here. There are two or more methods. If you want to do the writing or in a particular cell, neither you click here, double click over here, the cursor appears and then start writing. Second method is you select on the formula bar and then start writing. And third thing is click on the F2. Again, the cursor is displayed over here and then you can start writing. So these are what the options we have discussed regarding this. Then if you don't want this text, you want to remove the underline option. Again select the text and unselect this. So the underline is now removed. Again similarly, if you don't want the italic, deselect this. If you want it, select this. So that is how the toggle bold, italic, underline is work. working. So we have seen all these options from the font group. Now editing group. So we have also seen the find and replace option. So for displaying the find dialog box, either you can click the Control plus H, or you can, first of all, you need to select the text to who you want to find it out, and then click on this find select, and then click on the find option. Similarly, replace option is also available. So for both, we are having Control plus H. The dialog box appears. Then editing formula and function. We have discussed the undo and redo. So undo, the shortcut key is Control Z. For redo, the shortcut key is Control Y. Now let us discuss the auto sum option. So as you can see over here, the value is 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100. And if I want the sum of all these numbers, so put a cursor here or here where you want to put a cursor here, and then click on the auto sum. So this is what the total we got it. As soon as we can just click the auto sum symbol. If you click on this arrow, sum, average, count, number, max, min, various options are available that we will see in the next lectures. But in this video, we will see how auto sum. So as we can see over here, so, you can directly press that auto sum option and you will get the sum. Then editing the formula or function. So there are two different things. The same thing the total can be calculated by another way also. So I am putting my cursor over here and I am creating the formula. That was the function. As my cell 10 is available in the cell F2. So F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5. That means the values which are available here are going to be added, plus F6 plus F7 plus F8 plus F9 plus F10 plus F11 plus F12. So you can see over here the cells are selected, and this is what called as a formula. And I'm going to press. So I put my cursor over here and I have typed the formula. To do the addition of these 10 numbers, and then click on the enter button. So I got the addition here. So if you want the addition here, you can place the cursor here, or if you want the addition here, you can place the cursor as per your requirement. So there is a difference between function and formula. So for that addition, I have created my formula by addition for addition, and for this I have used auto sum option directly. So that is the difference between formula and function. So there is a ready-made function called as sum, where F3 to F12, that is F3, then colon F12. So this colon is called as range. So F3 to F12, the digits are being added over here. So this is what the function, sum function, readily available and provided by the Microsoft Excel, or you can create your own formula for addition. Now editing formula or function. It means that if you want to add 100, you just click plus and then 100. So it is being changed. So that means we have edited this function, right? We have edited this function. Similarly, you can do. So we can able to edit this function. So likewise, editing for the formula or function is possible. So that's it for today. So in this lecture, we have discussed the font group. Then we have discussed the editing group. So thank you.